I don't know about you, but I want to be in a cozy, charming little coffee shop in Europe all year round sipping my cappuccino. But we all know that that's not always possible, especially in these days with the price of travel and literally everything going up. Today we're 1 hour away from Washington, D.C. in this very historical town. It was founded in the 18th century and it's known for equestrian culture and fox hunting. So we're gonna take you around in this beautiful town. It's one of our favorite getaways from Washington, D.C. Whenever we get an itch for travel, we try to explore this area. This place is also known for great food, so we're gonna show you our favorite places to eat. And as you know, Virginia is also one of the largest wine producers in the U.S. with over 300 wineries in this area. It's full of wineries on each side of the road. It has a very picturesque drive from Washington, D.C. And really, when you get close to the town where we are now, it's going to feel like you are in another world. In this episode, hopefully we'll show you that you don't have to travel so far away in order to find the charm and the culture that we all love and travel for. The main artery in this town is Washington Street. And when you walk on Washington Street, you see beautiful historical buildings on each side. It's like walking in history. And these buildings are mainly like businesses, like coffee shops, restaurants, shopping. Amazing shopping here. You find things that are like more country chic, hunting clothes and things like that. So you find really unique stuff. So we're going to show you some of our favorite stores in this area as well.
Things come up, things go down, make me turn back around, my spider sense screaming that
So before we start our exploration of this amazing town, we came to Middleburg Common Grounds to have some coffee and pastry and fill up for our day here. And then we're going to go shopping and show you all of the little boutiques that we love to explore. The pastry smells so good. We have an apple fritter and a chocolate croissant or pain au chocolat, like they call it in France. I don't know why it's not bread, but yeah, it's a croissant with chocolate inside and some coffee. So we're going to fuel up and start our exploration and take you with us.
I'm sitting by literally an institution here in Middleburg. The Red Fox Inn opened its doors in 1728, so actually even before Middleburg was fully established. And let me tell you, this place has seen quite some history. It was a Civil War hospital, a gathering spot for hunters, and a stagecoach, and of course an inn. And people like George Washington used to hang out here, Elizabeth Taylor, the Kennedys, so yeah, it was quite popular also in the past, right? Today is an inn and restaurant. The restaurant serves refined Virginian cuisine, and the estate is very, very beautiful, so definitely consider spending a night here if you are around. On a side note, this place is really, really charming. Like, Middleburg overall is a beautiful, charming town, but this spot in particular, I don't know, there is something magical about it. Just like you can see in the name Red Fox Inn, and in the little sign behind me you can see a little cute red fox. Foxes are very popular in Middleburg. The area is very famous, it used to be in the past, and it is still to this day super famous for red fox hunting. And so the fox are kind of the symbol of the city. Middleburg, even if it's a little town, has so many stores. We took a walk in the main artery, Washington Street, and there are so many boutique stores with different items, clothing, crafts, and everything is, it seems to be, I don't want to say themed, but definitely has a countryside chic kind of vibe, which is only appropriate given the town. So we're going to show you our favorite stores. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider doing so. It's free and it helps us a lot. And if you think that our content brings to you any value, please subscribe and stay with us.
So this is one of the boutiques that we love here. They have amazing stuff. It's not necessarily the cheapest stuff, but you get really good quality stuff. So I highly recommend it. Actually, never been to the store. I'm gonna discover a new place. Let's see if there's anything interesting. I really like everything that they have here. This khaki color is amazing. And also this like mixed material kind of dresses. So lovely. They have really nicely curated stuff. You do not find this in stores in DC. Definitely you must come here to shop. We saw these beautiful vintage bags that have been given a little touch from this area with other material, which is absolutely lovely, so unique. I haven't seen anything like it, and I think it works.
This is Creme de la Creme, another favorite store of ours. It offers so many things for a house. It actually makes us feel like we want to own and buy a countryside house. From glasses, silverware, plates, kitchen rugs and the likes. You can really find anything, and also it's actually a great spot to find some nice gifts. So come check it out with us.
This is the non-alcoholic champagne. It looks so good. I would just buy it for the bottle.
Okay, try this, and then here, and tell me.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
So this is the speculoos syrup. Smells delicious already.
Just the speculoos.
Wow. Okay, this is good. This is good.
Coffee, cocktails, add it to fresh whipped cream and put it over pie. Drizzle it over a little cheese like a baked brie,
Nice.
or just drink it.
We heard great things about Raymer's candy store, so let's go inside and see what they have to offer. Hello.
Hi.
I just wanted to try a couple of
Absolutely.
anything that you would recommend. Everything looks delicious,
Well,
so
thank you. We are probably most famous for our sea salt caramels. It's homemade.
I like sea salt. Okay,
And then
sea salt caramel.
we're also are most famous for our Virginia toffee. That's in the Salamander Resort over there.
Okay.
Every room, yeah.
I'd like to have one and one, please.
All right. Do you prefer milk chocolate or dark? This is on me today.
What?
Yeah, enjoy it. Try it. See how you like it.
Thank you. I
And
can
hope
try.
you love it. And I hope you come back and
I would
eat
try
it.
right here, right now, and give you my
Works.
honest opinion right away. Okay.
Give me an honest review.
Okay, I will. So I'm gonna try them right now. They've been so kind to tell us to try right now, then tell us what we think. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
This is so good.
Yes.
So good. Wow. Oh wow.
Which ones do you want? Cream and jelly or?
Insanely good. This is a homemade toffee with roasted almonds inside and outside. It's delicious. It's really, really good. And this is the salted caramel. Gooey and delicious. Man, there are so many options here. Candies of all colors, shape, and form. This chocolate, what is this? It looks like a chocolate stick or something. It looks delicious. Wow. Look at these gummies. How tempting they look. I think that if you like sweets, this is really like the Alice in Wonderland, I'm telling you. After shopping a little bit in Middleburg and wandering through its street, we stopped by Tremolo bar for lunch. We love this place. Every time we come to Middleburg, we stop by to have a glass of wine and some food. They're known for little bites, very inventive cuisine, and of course for their wine. They have an extensive wine list. Surprisingly, they don't offer wines from Virginia, but from anywhere else they do.
So this place is perfect for like small dishes that you can share with a group of people. So we ordered like the duck confit and also the chorizo that come with a flaming fire. They cook it with some kind of liquor. I think it's like brandy or something.
I think so.
And it's really, really, really amazing.
Oh my God.
Stonetower Winery is one of our favorite wineries in Virginia. This place is just about 15-20 minutes drive from Middleburg, and we come here every time we get the chance. Of course, honestly, the period of October, November, the fall is just insanely beautiful and charming. You can see all the foliage turning color. It's really gorgeous. Not only the grounds are really, really nice, but the wine is also fantastic. So let's go try it.
What do you think in the flight?
No way. Like a snack.
We were crying and eating it. You see now why we love this place. It's so gorgeous, and it has an adult side and a family friendly side, and we are on the family friendly side because we love the view from there. But if you want to quiet and if you don't want to, dogs and children, you can go on the family side. But it's absolutely gorgeous. The sun is setting now, the leaves are changing, you see beautiful, beautiful fall foliage, and we're just having a great time. It's our absolute favorite. Andrea said that we have to stop coming here because we come here a lot, but we love it, and I'm sure I'm gonna keep on coming here, not only for the wine, but because it makes me feel so good, and it feels like you are not in DC or Virginia. It makes you feel like you're traveling. We wanted to show you that you don't have to go far to find this kind of places where you feel like you're finding, something that's going to take you out of your everyday reality and make you feel good. This is the end of our day in Middleburg. We hope you enjoyed and you were inspired with what we were able to do just 1 hour away from where we live. It's absolutely marvelous. We had the best day, the best weather, and being here, trying the Virginia wine, which is actually very, very good. We had a rosé that was made with the Nebbiolo grape, which is the same grape that is used to make the Barolo, and it was amazing. So we had an amazing time. We hope that we inspired you to, just explore around you. You don't have to go so far in order to feel like you're traveling and you're somewhere else. And by the way, if you saw our show all the way through here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We hope that we're gonna keep on bringing you value with our content. We try to show you things that we love, and we hope that you will love. So please subscribe, send us a message. Also, please turn on the notifications so you see when we have other videos, because we have a lot of content that we're gonna post. So with that, we bid you good night. In this episode, we hope you were gonna show you. Amore, guarda, non posso. The monster truck while I'm vlogging, okay? Only in Virginia, I guess. What is called? So we have apple fritter and